Today we present to you ANENG's digital refrigerant detector, measurable R22, R32, R134, range 0-1000 ppm. When the car is added with refrigerant, it is still not cold. Then you can use it to detect if there is a leak. Set the alarm threshold. The probe goes along the refrigerant pipe, like this. It's not leaked. I will call the police here. There's a refrigerant leak. Repair is required. Check whether the interface leaks after the air conditioner is repaired. There are no leaks here. It's a very compact device. Easy to operate during work. The front has a high-definition digital display. Backlight can be turned on. You can see the value clearly in low light. With temperature display, switchable temperature unit. The probe is extended by a gooseneck. Can adjust by yourself. Suitable for small spaces or height detection. The probe uses a high-precision sensor. There is an anti-interference protective cover on the outside. Comes with purple flashlight. Press the side of the fuselage to open. Remove the lid. Plug in the Type-C charging cable. Green light at full power. The boot needs to be in a clean environment. The probe is preheated for about 30 seconds. It will drip twice when the preheating is completed. To start testing, let's try it with a refrigerant tank. It's not leaking now. Unscrew the leak sum. The meter quickly detected. The screen shows the ppm value. Long press the cell key to set the alarm threshold. Press these two keys to adjust the parameters. We adjust to 9 ppm. Long press the cell key to return. Test again. You can see that if it exceeds 9 ppm, you will call the police immediately. The screen will flash red. It beeps. If it is lower than 9 ppm, stop the alarm. It can be measured. R22, refrigerants used in outdated air conditioning equipment. R32, new environmentally friendly refrigerants for air conditioners. R134A, commonly used in car air conditioners or water dispensers. It will automatically shut down after 15 minutes of no operation. Press the APO key to cancel the automatic shutdown.